Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will clear interrelationship among different aggregates of national income with the help of a diagram. So let us start the diagram. We are preparing different aggregates of national income. Number 1, I am writing down NDP at FC, NNP at FC, GDP at MP, GNP at MP. Here two aggregates are here. GDP at FC and GNP at FC. Two aggregates towards this side. Here NDP at MP and this NNP at MP. And let us prepare how these components are related to each other. How this GNP at MP is related to NNP at MP and GN at MP is related to GNP at FC, we will calculate. I am just preparing a format. And now let us see what is the relationship. First of all, GNP at MP, and we have to convert GNP at MP into NNP at MP. Difference is just gross and in between net. If we deduct depreciation from it, it means minus depreciation. Then we can calculate NNP at MP. Next, NNP at MP से clear करना है NDP at MP. We have to convert national into domestic minus net factor income from abroad. Next, NDP at MP, we have to convert this aggregate into NDP at FC. We have to convert market price into factor cost minus net indirect taxes. We have to convert GDP at MP into NDP at MP. We have to convert gross into net minus depreciation. Here we have to convert NNP into NNP at FC. We have to convert market price into factor cost minus net indirect taxes. And here GNP at MP into GDP at MP. We have to convert national into domestic minus net factor income from abroad. Similarly, we have to convert NNP into NDP at FC minus net factor income from abroad. And we have to convert GDP at FC into NDP at FC minus depreciation, GDP at MP into GDP at FC minus net indirect taxes, GNP at FC into GDP at FC. National to, we have to convert national to domestic minus net factor income from abroad. We have to convert GDP at FC into GNP at FC minus depreciation, and we have to convert GDP at MP into GNP at FC minus net indirect taxes. So in this way, we can make a relationship between different aggregates of national income. This diagram will help you a lot in your theoretical portion as well as in your numerical portion. So this is very important question theoretically as well as numerically. So do subscribe my channel to see more videos related to national income. Thank you.